Today I'm reviewing the Typhur Sync 8QD AI Smart Air Fryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been dreaming of a kitchen gadget that combines convenience, intelligence, and healthy cooking, the Typhur Sync 8QD AI Smart Air Fryer is here to completely transform the way you cook. This isn't just another air fryer. It's packed with advanced AI technology, a built-in wireless meat thermometer, and a massive 8-quart capacity designed for family-sized meals. Starting with the wireless meat thermometer, Typhur has truly innovated here. It's the first air fryer to integrate this feature, allowing you to monitor your food's internal temperature in real time, directly from the air fryer or via the companion app. That means no more guesswork, overcooked chicken, or dried-out roasts. Whether you're cooking a juicy steak or a tender Sunday roast, you can achieve restaurant-quality results every single time, all with perfect precision. One of the standout features of this air fryer is the AI-powered recipe generation. Simply snap a photo of the ingredients you have on hand, and the Typhur AI instantly creates a custom recipe for you. Not only that, it automatically adjusts the optimal cooking time and temperature to your specific ingredients. It's like having a professional chef in your kitchen, guiding every step of your meal prep and taking all the stress out of cooking. Safety and health are also a priority with the Typhur air fryer. The 9-in-1 basket uses non-toxic ceramic, completely free of PFAS and other harmful chemicals. The ceramic coating is not only safer for your family, but it also provides excellent non-stick performance, so food releases effortlessly and cleanup is much simpler. The basket is dishwasher-safe, and the wireless probe, grill plate, and accessories can all go right in the dishwasher, making post-cooking cleanup fast and stress-free. The whole chicken mode is another game-changer. With a 10.3-inch square basket, this air fryer can easily fit a 6-pound whole chicken or even a 9-inch pizza. The specialized mode uses a 2-stage heating process to cook poultry evenly, producing tender, juicy meat with golden, crispy skin every time. For families or anyone who loves hosting, this is a perfect choice for holidays, dinner parties, or weeknight meals. Noise is often a concern with high-powered air fryers, but the Typhur Sync addresses this with whisper-quiet operation. Thanks to advanced noise reduction technology, you can cook, chat, or relax without being disturbed by a loud fan. It's one of the quietest air fryers on the market, making it ideal for open kitchens, apartments, or late-night cooking. Connectivity is seamless. The Smart App Control lets you monitor your cooking from anywhere in the house. You'll get notifications when your food is ready, and you can check real-time temperature updates via your phone. This ensures your meal comes out perfectly even if you're multitasking or entertaining guests. And finally, versatility. This is truly a 9-in-1 cooker. Roast, bake, dehydrate, grill, and more, all in one compact device. With a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it's capable of cooking a wide range of dishes quickly and efficiently, all while maintaining superior taste and texture. Overall, the Typhur Sync 8QD AI Smart Air Fryer is a powerhouse of convenience, technology, and health-conscious design. It's perfect for families, busy professionals, or anyone who loves to cook without the hassle. From juicy, perfectly cooked meats to crispy, golden fried favorites, this smart air fryer ensures every meal comes out delicious every time. If you're ready to elevate your kitchen game with a truly intelligent appliance, the Typhur Sync 8QD AI Smart Air Fryer is an investment that brings both time-saving convenience and restaurant-quality results right to your countertop.